riding naked inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on.
Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm teaming up with Be Creative Makeup and Easy Paris to create a summer-inspired eye look using their new Sunset collection. And this is the makeup look that I created today. I know you guys really love halo eye looks, so that's what I wanted to do today and just give it kind of a summer-inspired touch to it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna use the Be Creative Makeup eyeshadow palette. Also, I used their bronzer, which is this one. And I used their lip gloss, which is super beautiful. I did use it on top of a nude liquid lipstick. But yeah, I really love how it turned out, and I just hope this look is gonna give you all some summer vibes or summer inspiration. And I think we're just gonna dive right into the video. If you wanna know how I created this, then keep on watching. Now, before I put any eyeshadow on my eyelid, I'm first going to use some eyeshadow primer. Eyeshadow primer is really important because this makes sure that your eyeshadow is gonna stay flawless all day. Also, it's kind of going to cover up the redness on the eyelids, so this will leave us with a really nice blank canvas for the eyeshadows. So I'm gonna use the Summer Glow eyeshadow palette from the Sunset collection by Be Creative Makeup, which is from Easy Paris. And this is how it looks. It has really beautiful colors, which I think are perfect for the summer. So today I'm gonna use this palette. Now, the first shade I'm going in with is this light color. I'm taking this brush, which is also from Be Creative Makeup in the number 13. And it has two sides, and I'm gonna start with the flat side. I'm gonna press this color right underneath the highest point of my eyebrow. Now, I wanted to use this as a brow highlight, but I actually think I could have used it all over the eyelid as well, since it's really similar to my own natural skin color. So you can also use this color to kind of set the eyeshadow primer in place. Now next, I'm gonna take this matte orangey color, taking a big blending brush, and I'm gonna start blending this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. I went back in with this color a few times to really build up the color payoff and make it as orangey as I wanted it to be. And of course, I'm doing this at both sides of my eyes. So now I'm gonna take this pinky color, and I'm taking the 13 brush again, but now I'm taking the other side, which is more like a flat blending brush. It's really nice for the step that I'm doing right now. You can kind of press the eyeshadow in the outer V and then kind of make blending motions back and forth, and this is gonna blend it out. So this is not going all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner like I did with the previous color. I first really focused on packing on the eyeshadow color in the outer V, and then later on I'm gonna blend it in the inner corner. I don't want this all the way to be like in the middle part of the crease area, because I wanna kind of leave a gap in the middle, because that's where I'm gonna apply a light color to create that halo effect. So now, after applying it in the inner corner and the outer corner, I'm gonna take my finger, and I'm using this pearly color, and I'm gonna use my finger to apply this on the middle part of the eyelid. I tried to do this really carefully because I didn't want it to be like covering up the whole eyelid. I wanted it to be only in the center, and then really carefully kind of blending it upwards to create that halo effect. Then now for the next step, I'm gonna take a clean blending brush with a little bit of concealer on it, and I'm gonna blend it underneath the outer end of where I applied the eyeshadow. I always do this when I create an eye look with more of a V shape at the end of the eyelid, to kind of clean it up, because there's always gonna be kind of a messy look when you do this. So to make it look as neat as possible, I always do this trick. Just apply a tiny amount of concealer on your blending brush and sweep your brush underneath the outer end of the V shape. The next I'm going back in with the color Seize the Day with the Be Creative Makeup 13 brush. And now I'm gonna use this color underneath the lower lash line. Since I also used this for the crease area, I also wanted to use it for the lower lash line to kind of make the same colors come back. This just kind of balances the whole makeup look. And then after this, I also wanted to go in with the warm brownie, well, it's not really brown, it's more like a warm orangey color, and use a fluffy blending brush and blend a little bit of this color underneath the lower lash line as well. I feel like by doing this, it just makes the lower lash line look a bit more warm. Then now I'm gonna take this golden color. I wanted to make sure that I included every shade of the palette, and since I haven't used this one yet, I wanted to use it underneath the lower lash line and kind of like in the inner corner area. And then after applying this shade, I'm also going to use this one, which is more like a rose gold color, and do the same thing, but focusing a bit more like in the middle part and at the outer end underneath the lower lash line. This way I used every color, and so far I really love how it looks. I think all the shades look really pretty together. Then now for the next step, I took a pencil for in the waterline with kind of the same color undertone as the eyeshadow shades I used. I feel like colors like this really makes my eye color stand out. Now my eyes are kind of blue and green, but I think it will also look amazing on brown eyes, hazel eyes, so definitely give this eye look a go. Then now I'm gonna use a lash curler because I always do this before applying mascara. And then now I'm taking some mascara and applying it on my upper lashes and my lower lashes. Now I am going in with fake lashes. I applied them off camera, but if you're following my channel for a while, you know I always like to use some fake lashes to complete the eye look. And here you can see the end result. So the eyes are now finished. I really hope you all like how it turned out. I really think it turned out into a kind of sunset, subtle halo eye look. I absolutely love how it turned out. I found the eyeshadows to work really easy. The shimmery colors are really pigmented and the matte shades were really easy to blend. So far, absolutely love the palette. Now I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face. As you can see, I have already applied my foundation. And I have some concealer on and I set it with some translucent powder. So now I want to finish off the rest of my face. And I'm going to use the Be Creative Makeup Lip Gloss, which is this one right here. It's called the Wanderlust 001 Glitter Lip Gloss. And it looks like a transparent lip gloss or clear lip gloss, whatever you want to call it, but it has a really subtle sparkle in it. It looks absolutely beautiful. I also swatched it on the back of my arm so you can see how it looks with just my skin color underneath. Now I personally don't really like to use lip gloss on its own because I feel like my lips are just not really defined naturally, so I'm first going to use a natural color lip pencil and I'm going to outline the shape of my lips. So now I'm using my finger to kind of blend the pencil in my lips. Then now next I'm going to take a nude liquid lipstick and I'm going to apply it on top of it. I first just wanted to go for some lip pencil and some gloss, but I actually want to use this underneath. And then now for the next step, I'm going to take the lip gloss, which was in the color Wanderlust, and apply it on top of the liquid lipstick. And then this is how the gloss looks on top of the liquid lipstick. I absolutely love it. Feels really comfortable, really really nice, and I love when you look up real close you can see all the subtle sparkles. So now, since I haven't applied any blush yet, no bronzer, I do feel like something is definitely missing. Like my skin is only one color and it kind of makes me look sick. So we're gonna change that. I'm taking the Be Creative Makeup Sunset Glow Maximizing Bronzer, which looks like this. This also comes in the collection. And I'm taking this brush, which is also by Be Creative Makeup, in the number 07. It's like super big and fluffy. So now I'm going to use it on the cheekbones. I am going to kind of press the brush like this because I think this is probably going to be a bit too big. So I'm going to kind of do it like this. I think it looks really pretty, like it's the perfect color to kind of bronze your face at the same time as contouring. So I think it's a really beautiful color. I'm also going to apply a little bit underneath my jawline because I just need that. Especially in this area, like you can see when I talk, I always have a little bit of an under chin. So I'm gonna apply it mainly in this part. So looking at my makeup right now, I absolutely love it. I love the gloss, I love the bronzer, I love the eyes, but I feel like there needs to be a bit more of a freshness in my face. I feel like everything is very brownish, very warm tone. So I am going in with some blush, and I went for a really pinky color because I just feel like something is missing right now. I need a little bit of a fresh pink color. Yes, I think that was the right decision because when I look at the eyeshadow palette, we also used this eye color in the crease, which is also more pink. And now I just feel like everything looks so much better together. And then this is the end result. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Also a big thank you to Be Creative Makeup and Easy Berry for teaming up with me. I absolutely loved using their products, even though I did already try them before filming this video, because I would never do a collaboration with a brand if I don't like the products. So I did already try them beforehand, but regardless, I do really love how it turned out. I love the lip gloss. I think the bronzer looks really beautiful. It's not too cool tone, not too warm tone, and I absolutely love the eye look. So I will make sure to link all the products I used from their brand in the description bar. And yeah, I just hope you all enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye!
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm